front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Let's start with Albums. Tap on one from which you want to delete your photos. Hold one, and then click on this icon at the top left corner next to the countdown. Now to keep some of your photos, slide your finger across the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, hit the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from pictures, hold one. And here you can either use the same button at the top left corner, or you can click on those at the top left corners of each sections. To, for example, select all of your photos, but only from yesterday. Wherever you decided when you're ready, do exactly the same with ones you wanna keep as before, and then delete them thanks to the same delete button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!